Alright, this is a quick repair of a hinge for my garage door. Brand is Clopay. I got these on Amazon. A 2-pack for $5. It's a standard #1 hinge, which I didn't know about. But there's a #1 right there. This bad boy snapped. You can see where it snapped. So I'm going to try to do this in one take, 7/16, 4 bolts. I just released the tension. There's really no tension on there anywhere. So it should be easy. But when you say it should be easy, that means it's not going to be easy. I'll line these bad boys up. They look the exact same size, maybe a little smaller, but these gaps here give you a little play. These bottom 2 gaps have to be spot on though. This bottom hook, or the bottom screw, you ain't got no wiggle room for that one right here. So I'm just gonna tear into it and see what happens. Garage door is 7 years old. I'm gonna try to keep the parts in order just for the threads. I've had this garage door fixed once. That's the bottom one. Oh, that fell out nice. These are pretty tight. I'm worried about this one here. This next one having a little tension. I'm not a garage door repairman, I'm a do-it-yourselfer. These next 2 are making me a little nervous. I took the tension off the garage door. Probably said that once already. This garage door goes up and down probably 25 times a day. So I'm not disappointed that it broke because it's just routine stuff. I'm hoping I can slide this new bracket underneath here. And this hinge is only going to go on one way, so we'll see if this works out good. Hopefully that slides right out. There we go. See where it broke right there. Oops. I got my fan on because it's in Ohio and it's muggy out. That's where it broke. Compare this to the new one. This new one I got is like 1/4 of an inch smaller. The only other place I could see to buy these is to match was Lowe's. Should work though. Well, in my experience, it's a wish, not a promise. Everything looks like it's lining up. So, let's start from the bottom. Work our way up. Looks like it's gonna work. I need a freaking win, man. Tell you what, I'm a shade tree mechanic and do-it-yourselfer. A lot of times none of this stuff flipping works the way it's supposed to. And this job is going way too easy at this point. You guys can start right here. I don't want to strip the original spots out. It's not going to we may have success. I got 2 of these brackets for $5. Next day too. Nice. I like them to go back in loose because I know they're grabbing the original threads. I'm going to snug them up. Tight.
Juicy.
Tight. It's centered. Now the test. That was way too easy. This could be catastrophic. That's a win. A little close up. Number 1. You can see this one's marked number 1 too. That's it. Hope this helps the do-it-yourselfer. I'll edit some of this out to make it faster. Peace.